Good morning. It's Sunday, start of a new week. Still looking the same. Today is I think it's the 6th. So I'm here in the kitchen. I just woke up. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's almost 8 o'clock and I'm getting ready to make some coffee and get started on my backsplash because I've mapped it out and I am going to get ready to start on it. Might as well. Yesterday I cooked. I was going to, this guy got a runaway eyelash. Yesterday I did cook and I was going to film what I cooked yesterday, but I was too lazy. And I did get part of that cabinet finished. I'm just waiting on the other boards to come and put those on, sand it down, and then paint the whole thing, and then just put the legs on there and the handles, and I think it's going to be so cute. So earlier during the week, or Saturday or Sunday, I got my new box of Hello Fresh, and I got 2 meals, and I cooked one of the meals. It was like a ravioli type meal. It was so good. Really easy, simple. Never thought to put those things together, but it was really, really good. And then they sent me a kale salad, with all the fixing. It was good as well. I have one more to cook, but since I've already done the carne asada steak and over the rice and stuff, I'm not gonna cook it probably until a couple of days. I'm gonna let you walk along with me or come along with me to get started on this backsplash. I don't have any. Oh, I have some frozen bananas. I think I'll make a smoothie so I don't have to take out any dishes. Yesterday I did some pretty good cleaning in the kitchen here, but yeah, I'm gonna make me some coffee and a smoothie, and we shall get started. Take a break and have my coffee. I haven't had my coffee yet, and it's 9:51. And I'm a total mess, but I'm excited that I'm at least getting started. I'm like 4 rows up, and I don't really have that much more to go. After I get this up, then it's just three stacks all the way up there. It's just the cutting part. Always the cutting part. I wish I can just slap it on without having the plugs, but that won't work. But anyway, I will cut it off here. Finish that one piece. Maybe finish all the way up to the top. I don't know. Might as well. I decided to go ahead and go all the way up until I got to the pieces that required me to cut, about a half a piece of tile to fit up under the cabinet space. And I have that edge to go. I have to cut those pieces around that plug and go all the way to the end. And then I have some cuts back here in the corner that you probably can't see. Yeah, I can't wait till I get done. So when I'm done, I'll clean the towel off a little bit, and then the last thing is to grout. So this will have to dry like 24 hours before I am able to grout grout the towel, the inside, and it's also going to be white. I don't want any dark colors in the kitchen unless I do accents. And don't forget, guys, I am a minimalist. So the less I have, the better. And what I'm going to do is take my iPad, go sit over on the sofa, It's 10 o'clock about. Yeah, a little after 10. And I'm gonna have my coffee. Um, I did not do my nails because, you know, this takes a lot and it breaks everything you have. So I'm gonna wait to do my nails till I'm done with this and do my hair. So I washed it and I just been wearing it back in a ponytail as usual. So right now what I'm doing is doing 2 projects simultaneously. And that is the one that I'm doing upstairs on the kids' cabinet. And I have to stop with that project because I'm waiting on some pieces to come in. And got a few more days. So hopefully it come in sooner than, you know, like a week. But yeah, I want to really finish that cabinet. And I'm doing the tile backsplash. So as far as any updates on the house, I won't be doing anything else. I do have a couple of ideas that I need to do, or that I want to do, and that is some painting. So, well, it's some touch-up painting. You know, I've been in the house for a year and a half, and then I have 2 young children, and some of the walls just need a touch-up paint where they've created such havoc. And yeah, my house is coming along just great and all of that good stuff, and it's coming together just like I wanted. And I don't know if you can see all the way back there. I'm sitting on the sofa, but all the way back there to the foyer, you can see the table. It's dark back there right now because I have the lights off, but everything is looking just like I want it to. Beautiful. Oh yeah, guys, I wanted to show you the progress that I'm doing on that cabinet upstairs in the kids' living room area. I had to stop working on it. I started on it last weekend, but I had to stop because I needed to order some more boards. But here it is. I have it laying on its back, and I needed to order some more of those half rounds. So this is what it's looking like so far, and these are the doors that I went to pick up from IKEA. So what I'm doing now is attaching these boards to these double boards. It's still a double shelf, but it comes and opens as one door. So I will paint the rest of this cabinet, add the legs, sit it upright, hang that TV, and we shall be ready to reveal. I know the light is shaded in here, but guys, look at my orchid. Isn't it just blooming so beautifully? I got this as a welcome home gift when I closed, and that's been about a year and a half ago, and it's still growing, it's still blooming. It is so pretty, 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 pretty. It's just thriving so well. Well, I might as well go ahead and film here. Wednesday, March 9th-ish, I think. Not much has went on this week. Have worked, come home, took naps, and I have been kind of on the lazy side about editing. So now I'm here in my office editing so I can get this footage up tonight. So I should have had this up at least by Monday, because I do have some more footage to upload for this week's vlog. So that will probably go up on Monday. I need to actually start uploading on Sunday, since that's the beginning of my week, and vlogging. So I should do it on every Sunday. I can do that. So anyway, guys, I'm just coming on. It's evening. I still have my uniform on. I'm gonna go ahead and get the kids something to snack on. And I have been online for a couple of weeks now. I went into IKEA, and this was this queen size bed. I'll have to show you in the link below. I mean, I'll put it up here somewhere on the screen. But it is a nice bed, and I'm using it for the guest room. It is so cute. It's been out of stock like forever. So yesterday, no, on Monday, something just told me to go and check and see, is it back in stock? It was back in stock, and I ordered it right away, because the lady told me the last time when I was in IKEA that they cannot keep those in stock. So I am lucky, and I am using it for my guest room. It's gonna be so cute in there. And yeah, and that should be coming, I think, on Monday, and I'll be able to finish my Kallax unit as well, because my the other planks have also come in. So I'll have a little footage for you for next week. So guys, stay tuned. But I am not gonna vlog anymore today. Maybe, you know, a couple of days and into Saturday. Saturdays are my best vlog days, because during the week I'm just so tired, you know. But anyway, nothing new has happened. Same old, same old. I think I showed you the progress on my backsplash, and I have to, that's what I'll be doing this weekend, is finishing up that. I ran out of tiles, so I will go to Floor and Decor and pick up the few tiles that I need to finish that project. Go ahead and grout, and then I'll show you the finished look by Saturday. So Sunday, I should have the kitchen done, and then I'll need somebody to help me upload the, I'm sorry, not upload. I'll need somebody to help me put the Vena hood back up. And then I can get back to my kitchen. So I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. So I will see you tomorrow or Friday. Definitely on Saturday. All righty. Let's get some light on. This is the progress that I've made so far. I have done all the towel work, and I'm trying to clean up a little bit. Right now I'm grouting the seams, taping off and grouting the seams there, and I have to go and finish all that. But I am tired, and I am done for this week. But guys, you know what? I will see you next week. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.